Hi guys, a while back I picked this up in a charity shop. BatTat is the brand. Obviously it's from some kiddie's toy set where you use it as a screwdriver or electric spanner or something like that. Goes both directions. And I did say that I'd probably make it into a electric car or something just for fun. So I've been doing a bit of 3D printing. Made myself a pulley that will fit on there tightly. I'll push it on a bit more. And then I made a pulley that will go onto a CD for a wheel. So we'll have a rubber band between them. All I need now is the car to go with it. So I'll have a look at my stock, see if I've got anything practically ready-made. If we haven't, then I'll have to make one up. Right, that's one of my old cars that I've used for various things. One of my early 3D printed cars. So can we stick that on there somehow? I might just hot glue it on. And then that should clip on. Should. Yeah, there we go. So just for example, yeah. Oh, that one, that'll come off. Yeah, something like that. And this on here somewhere. So either just hot glue it or something like that, just to hold it in place. And just to see if it's got enough power to drive the car forwards. Well, I have to say, I rather like what I've done, just for its crazy simplicity. So that's one of my old rubber band powered cars with the pulley on the axle, pulley on the toy drill, rubber band round the trigger to hold it on, because we can make it go forwards and backwards with that switch there and off in the middle. And to hold it in place, I've just used a big lump of blue tack. I was looking at 3D printing something clever to hold it in place, and then I thought, well, I'll just do that for now. If I wanted it to be permanent, I could use you can get epoxy putty like that would actually hold it in place. But that'll do for as long as I need it, which is only to do a couple of runs up and down the kitchen to demonstrate it works. Cost me 50p. So that's what we'll do. Right, we can have it front wheel drive or rear wheel drive, it won't matter. If I leave it on there long enough, it will slowly pull itself along because it's under a bit of tension, because the blue tack is not a firm fix, it's a temporary fix, and it will give. But I think we'll have enough power there. That's the other way. Right, we'll go front wheel drive. We're going left a bit there, I need to adjust the back. But I think we can see it works. Flick that the other way. Flick it the other way. I pointed that bit too far to the right. Right, that'll do. It was definitely going left, yeah. That is going round to the left. Oh, just kicked it then. Oh, my rubber band's come off. Right. Can't do it with the camera in one hand and the car moving in the other. I guess we ought to do my usual, try and hit the camera with it. So I'll put the camera down and see how far we can go accurately enough to hit the camera. Well, it clearly works. It's not pretty. In fact, you'll have to just forgive me my few moments of craziness there. I just had to give it a go, see if it worked. It does work. I could easily, as I say, 3D print something to make it look nice, or I could take all the bits out and use the gearing and that for a purpose-built gearbox. But just for the fun of it, just stick it on, add a pulley, join it to the back axle, and it works. What it's all about is that's a very low gearing in there, so it's got plenty of torque, which is enough to drive the car forwards. That's really where we're coming from here. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.